A physical workbook is coming soon. Here is a preview of what's in it. Stronger is not always better. A luxury candle should do more than fill the room. When candle makers talk about fragrance, one of the first questions is usually, how strong is it? We want a strong cold throw. We want a strong hot throw. We want the fragrance to fill the room. And yes, fragrance performance matters. But a luxury fragrance experience is not simply about making the strongest candle possible. Sometimes a candle can be so strong that it becomes overwhelming. It fills the room, but it does not feel refined. Luxury fragrance is about balance. It is about depth. It is about the way the fragrance develops while the candle is burning. Think about a beautiful perfume. You may notice one note when you first apply it, but as time passes, different notes begin to come forward. A luxury candle can create a similar experience. The fragrance should work with the wax. It should work with the wick. It should complement the room instead of overpowering it. It should also continue to smell beautiful throughout the life of the candle. This is why adding more fragrance oil does not automatically create a better candle. More is not always better. Sometimes more fragrance can actually interfere with the way the candle burns. The goal is not to see how much fragrance your wax can hold. The goal is to find the amount that gives you the best overall performance. That includes the scent, the flame, the melt pool, the appearance of the wax, and the experience your customer has every time they light the candle. This is one of the topics I go much deeper into inside making luxury candles from the inside out. The workbook gives you the information in writing, and the video series allows me to explain how I approach these decisions in my own candle-making process. A luxury candle should not simply smell strong, it should smell intentional. Next week, we are going to talk about testing, and why lighting your candle once is not enough. And one more thing, the course has a bonus section. This bonus section was created from Zoom calls with my book buyers and newsletter subscribers. When I asked them what they wanted, this is what they told me. Here is your sneak peek into the bonus section. Why you need candle insurance. Getting into local shops. Pricing a luxury candle with confidence. Building your signature scent collection. Sourcing like a luxury professional. Photography and visual brand standards. Scaling production without sacrificing luxury standards. The art of fragrance layering and blending. Engineering scent evolution. Your fragrance blend worksheet. Seasonal collections and limited editions. Wholesale and the luxury retail channel. Safety, compliance, and labeling standards. Developing your brand identity as a candle artist. The luxury candle market trends and opportunities. The maker's mindset, craft discipline, and creative growth. Setting up your professional candle studio. Corporate gifting and the B2B luxury candle market. Fragrance families, a reference guide for candle artists. Reference, wax performance comparison. Wax and fragrance measurement reference. Vendors I use. The candle artist's vocabulary. This isn't just a book, it's a complete course featuring a full-color workbook and a matching video series. See you next time on The Candle Artist Way.